how to use survival tokens in Last War Survival. So you should be able to use these tokens on your survivors in order to ascend them and basically make them stronger. So first, you're gonna go ahead to your buildings over here. Make sure you've already built the talent hall. So this is where you enhance survivors' abilities. So you're gonna have to reach a specific headquarters level, but once you're there, go ahead and build the talent hall and just press enter, of course. Then choose whichever survivor you want to upgrade. Put in mind that you can only upgrade the epics and the legendaries. So choose from whichever you have and you will be able to see how much survivor tokens you need, and of course survivor fragments as well. So once you press an ascend, you will increase the survivor star and basically give you the attributes on that specific upgrade. So let's say we have Emma over here. If we increase her by 1 star, the unit healing speed will be increased by 0.5%. But that's pretty much how you use the survivor tokens in a Last War Survival. So hopefully the information of this video can help you, and if it can, please like and subscribe for more videos like this, and that's all.